How are you feeling?
Oh, this is great. This is great.
Hmm?
This is absolutely amazing.
Our own brother.
Yeah.
Brother, yes. Yeah,
And
he's
cigar.
our guy.
Saiga. These are our two guys today.
Yeah. There is one.
Oh yeah.
By the bank.
Oh.
I much prefer this to paragliding. This is a lot nicer.
Left hand side, you see there's one beautiful bird.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Kingfisher. White,
Kingfisher.
Yeah, white-throated kingfisher. We have several type of kingfisher.
Yeah.
One of those, it's called white-throated kingfisher.
Oh wow.
Go and see
That one is
A crocodile.
mass murder.
Oh, it's the mass murder, that one.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Great.
Yeah, because I'm covering all your sun.
It's definitely my first time travelling down a river in a canoe full of,
First time?
yeah, down in a canoe, river full of crocodiles.
First hit record.
Hope you enjoy.
Oh, it's amazing, yeah.
Why to stay?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Like a home stay.
Yeah.
You enjoying?
I'm loving it.
The greater one-horned rhinoceros. Yearly we celebrate our Tihar festival,
Yeah.
and we go for dancing in every houses. And rhino comes to play at Tihar also.
Yeah, during October.
Yeah.
October, November.
Rhino come to play. राति राति हिँडिरहेको हुन्छ कि तिहार खेल्न आयो भनिरहन्छ
हजुर.
रमाइलो हुन्छ.
Your birth month, October, is very nice to visit Nepal.
Yes.
Everywhere.
So
You
weather were chilled. So
Clear mountains, everything.
no hurt, no cold. Weather was very good weather.
Will you ever get tigers come down to drink in the water?
Of course, of course. Yes.
What's the best time of year to see the tigers?
Before 1 to 2 months ago,
Yeah.
there's high chance to see tigers
Yeah.
because that time everywhere grasses were cut down.
Yeah.
We have a long visibility.
Yeah.
That time we have lots of chance to tiger. It's already grow grasses everywhere, high grasses.
Yeah.
They can hide easily. So we have a chance to see them, but chances are very low.
Yeah.
And of course, tiger are the nocturnal animals. Mostly they active at night time.
Yeah.
In daytime, when they feel drink, they feel hungry. So that time we have a chance to see tiger.
Okay.
त्यसलाई इङ्ग्लिसमा के भन्छ
But they are nocturnal animal actually.
Yeah.
There is one white and black bird, like
Yeah.
a zebra crossing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cormorant, little cormorant, and little eagle.
अनि म त प्राप्त गरेँ बहिनी चाहिँ नोटहरू म भन्दा 4 वर्ष कान्छो गएँ नि अनि चाहिँ नदेर सबै ठिक हुन्छ भन्ने अनि